Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you a unboxing. I was reached out by NewCraftDay. They asked me to come to you all, my loyal YouTube family members, to showcase some of their items. NewCraftDay, and don't mind me, I am looking down at my notes. NewCraftDay is currently promoting their diamond cross stitch, and also if you spend $50 you get 2 items free, and they are also giving 10% off to all new customers. They have a lot of amazing things on their website. They have diamond paint and diamond tools. They have stickers. They have cross stitch and cross stitching tools. Excuse me. They also have epoxy molds and much more. So with that being said, let's get into this package. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Here on my channel I do DIYs, tablescapes, day in the lives, cook with me, clean with me, and much more, as well as unboxings. So if you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Please hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time that I upload, as well as share to your family, friends, and loved ones. Over here on my channel, I do all things budget friendly, and I do mean budget friendly. I love thrifting. Goodwill is my second home, and yeah, let's get into this unboxing. So here is my first item. I do have this here cross stitch, and they do have the instructions on back on how to create your beautiful piece. And this is Praise God, from whom all blessings flow. And inside you will find your actual pattern that you will be stitching, and it also comes with all of your threading that you need to use, and you also have your needle. And again right here, and it shows you everything you need, your color selections, the numbers of what numbers of the colors you should use. And it's exactly like how it is on here. And then, like I said, you also have instructions on the back of your packaging. So we're going to put this one back. And then I have another one I want to share with you all. I also have this one here. I can't remember which one this is. Ooh, this is rhinestones. Ooh. So we have our pattern here, and it's love, and it's pretty. And we have the rhinestones. It comes with all the rhinestones. It comes with a rhine picker and tray. So this one is going to be, and this is something, even though it seems like it's time consuming, and it's literally 12 different colors, maybe more. I have a package of 4 here, and a whole sleeve of colors here. I cannot wait to do this, and I'm going to do this on a video, but I'm going to have to probably break it up into maybe 3 10-minute videos. So I am very excited to do this, and I hope some of you will come, if not all, will come back and check out me creating this here, because this is going to be beautiful. And again, it's going to be a love, the love and flowers. So I can put this on a canvas once I'm done. And again, it comes with the picker and the tray and some beautiful vibrant colors. My next one, it says butterflies, and I believe it's the same like the love. And it is, ooh, these colors are beautiful. And let me show you this first. Butterflies appear when angels are near. So pretty. I cannot wait to do this. I think I'm gonna do this one first. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. And then we have all the beautiful colors. I feel like a little girl. Getting all these little, ooh, these are beautiful colors. So pretty. And vibrant. And here are the remainders of the colors. All the beautiful pinks, blues, and purples, and blacks. This is beautiful. So yeah, guys, I will have, that's, oh, one more item. And I also picked up a pack of your different size needles for your stitching. Comes in a tube like that to be able to house them all, and it just grooves on like that, and you have your different size needles with the different size eyes. But yes, so yes, everyone, please check out the link that I will have down below. And again, is NewCraftDay, and they have beautiful, beautiful items for cross stitching. Cross stitching, diamond painting. Now this is considered diamond painting, and they have the tools for your cross stitching and your diamond painting. They have molds for your silicone molds, as well as your epoxy molds. So please check out their website down below. And NewCraftDay, thank you so much for selecting me to showcase your items to my viewers. I will be posting another video. I think I'm going to do the cross stitch first, because I do want to, try my hand at the cross stitch first. Then I will be doing the diamond, what do they call it? Diamond painting. So this is very, very nice. And again, guys, please check out New Craft Day. This is considered diamond painting with your rhinestones. This is going to be very fun, and something will be soothing. Have me a glass of wine and do me some diamond painting. So please, everyone, get down in them comments as well as the description box. Please thumbs up this video. Please share yo. And if you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. Bye-bye.